So medicine is not a pure science. Medicine is the study of a disease and then the application of a person's experience to how that can hopefully benefit a patient. And so how that's done through something called evidence-based medicine. It was estimated in 2011 that 150 billion gigabytes of data was stored just from medical data. So this is a large amount of data, and one piece of that could be the decision maker for a patient. There's a wealth of people out there that need corporations out there that need IT people that understand medical informatics. I think the program here, taking engineering students and other students that are interested in perhaps more primarily engineering and saying, look, the informatics side has a big need for people that have that type of background and experience. January 5th, Forbes published the top 30 under 30 years old, the list of people that are changing the world. 9 of them are in medical informatics. You get your bachelor's in engineering and then you do the informatics as a master's, and then you can hopefully you'll be much more sellable, in my opinion, to companies that need somebody that knows both.
There's nobody right now to do a lot of this healthcare informatics. This is a growing thing, and it's not just on the technology side of the field.
But it's all in finite, discrete buckets in a lot of different places. How do we take that and really maximize its power for making decisions about medications, about the efficacy?
So here you can see our duplication of effort and waste and expense that's kind of been currently happening with all these different connections to all these different organizations. Our idea is that we want to make it so that this information is centralized, so you have one point.
But your expertise as informatics people is one part of that team that we can't do it without you. Here up in Michigan Tech, we found the program here was extremely interested and actually eager to work with us. And so I started working with Guy on this process, and so far it's been working well.
MyCare is a medical informatics center for analysis, research, and education. And so this is a collaboration that we're doing. It's not just Michigan Tech, it's actually Upper Great Lakes. They're a big part of that. MyHIM is also involved in terms of supporting it. But we're also working with the local nursing programs as well. So Northern's nursing program, Finlandia's nursing program. And it's a collaborative environment that we're starting to be able to get people who have an interest in health research, health education, get that clinical environment and get that technical environment with that collaborative team that Dr. Peck and Mr. Simla and Mr. Boyle are talking about.